In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to browse the automation catalog in Airtable, Workflow Guide 2026. First, open your browser and go to airtable.com. This guide assumes you already have an account and at least one workspace set up. Sign in to your Airtable account. This part is quick. Enter your login details, complete any two-factor prompt if you use it, and proceed. Once you're in, you'll land on your Airtable dashboard. Think of this as your home base. Here you'll see your workspaces, teams, and a section with your most recent bases, which are the databases you've opened or edited lately. If you're following along for the first time, it's a good idea to pick a non-critical base so you can explore without affecting live workflows. Click a recent base to open it, or create a new base if you want a clean sandbox. Creating a new one is helpful for testing automation safely, but it's not required. Inside the base, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation options. You'll see tabs labeled Data, Automations, Interfaces, and Forms. These are the core areas you'll use to build solutions. For this walkthrough, we're focusing on automations. Click the Automations tab. This opens the automation workspace for your base. If this is your first time, you might see a prompt or an empty list where your automations will live. On the left side panel, find the option labeled Browse Catalog. Click it. This is where Airtable showcases a library of ready-made automations you can add to your base in just a few clicks, saving you from building everything from scratch. You'll now see the automation catalog. It includes curated templates organized by common use cases and themes. You'll typically find categories like General, Marketing, Product Operations, Sales CRM, and HR. Browse through these to match your workflow. As you explore, open a template to preview what it does, the trigger it uses, and the actions it performs. You can also check any requirements, like specific fields or tables the template expects, so you know whether your base is set up for it. A quick tip: if your left panel is collapsed, expand it to reveal the catalog. And if you're not sure where to start, pick a general template to understand the structure, then adapt it to your needs. After choosing a template, Airtable will guide you through connecting it to your base, mapping fields, and turning it on. That's it. You've successfully navigated to and explored the automation catalog in Airtable.